and ask them, what have you done for Palestine? Ay Allah, help our brothers and sisters in Palestine. Ay Allah, provide them the strength, the capacity to face today's Dajjal and help us conquer these fears and help 1 million children trapped in Palestine. Ay Allah, please give strength and courage to our weak Muslim leaders to stand up for our brothers in Palestine. Ay Allah, help us survive this time of oppression and fear. Ay Allah, please help Pakistan, help Palestine. Ameen. Brothers and sisters, we all know someone influential in politics, in bureaucracy. I call bullshit on anyone that says they can't do anything about it. I hold you all accountable to walk up to them on the next wedding, conference, family get-together and ask them, what have you done for Palestine? Ask them, as a bureaucrat, as a politician, what have you done? That is something we can hold them all accountable of. We cannot free Palestine, but we are a nuclear warhead. We can start and end wars. Ask your leaders for what they are doing, not just when it comes to elections, but when it comes to the time of need. You civilians have the right to ask your leaders and hold them by the throat and get them off their seats if they're not doing anything. On that note, we end this rally. Free, free!
Palestine!
Free, free!
Palestine!
From the river to the sea!
Palestine will be free!
From the river to the sea!